Welcome back to my channel. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and today I am rebuilding the suspension of Frigidaire washing machine. I mean, that's crazy. I went for buying a new suspension on eBay, like 40-50 bucks. Local appliance store, $90. And mainly it was okay. I checked it, it works. It's just those the spring here broke. You can see it. So I couldn't find just the spring part, so I got those ones, part of a kit at Harbor Freight. It's a little kit I'll show you in a moment. It's like $6.99. It's like a couple hundred springs in it, so I have a bunch of those. Yeah, gonna see in case I can put another one. So far I put two. I guess I should put three of them. There is plenty of room here, and it won't interfere too much with the cover. I can still close my cover, I checked it, so the cover will work perfectly. So that's it. Let me take a look and see what happened. And they're gonna cost me only like $4 instead of $50 for the all new suspension. So that's it. Let's take a look and see what happened. That's fixing the suspension on a Frigidaire machine. Technically it was moving too much because the springs were not holding it in place. So this is my spring in place. Now I'm gonna put back the cover, and I did it on the other side too. So I have two sides with the same issue. Let me show you the springs. That's my kit. It's like so many of them. It's crazy. And I pay only 200 pieces. I pay $6.99 at Harbor Freight, and I think it might do the job because I checked the original springs. They were not that strong either, so I've been using this one. Okay, let's take a look. Let's see what happened in a week or two. Anyways, as you can see, I was able to put my cover back in position. Even if I use where the mounting clips are, you can see them there, right here. I use it to anchor those additional springs. So I was able to still slide it in, even with a zip tie present, and it's been much better now. So the basket is not vibrating as much as it was before. So that's it. Machine is working fine, and the little extra springs I put in from Harbor Freight are really helping the basket rotation when spinning. Thanks again for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo. There was a quickly fix the suspension, or like I say, on Frigidaire washer and dryer combination. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up if you can.